welcome back to my channel. This is Valencia GLQ, and I want to say, listen, look, this is a crazy economic climate, right? And we have to figure out what we have to do. So in this true independent income solution, which you probably already assume, yes, I'm talking about trading, but I'm also talking about making money in minutes. I'm talking about binary options. I mean, Forex is great. Traditional Forex is phenomenal, but I want to show you how I use pocket options and how I make money in minutes, right? Not only doing so, I also am able to create a residual income because what I do is I show other people how to use it. When they create their accounts, we're able to work with each other. And the phenomenal thing that I'm doing is I'm sharing some of your deposit back. So if you join me using my link, which I will put below, I'm going to give you a percentage of your deposit. And the reason why is because let's build wealth together, right? That is the key to this, all right? So I'm going to start sharing my screen. All right, this is how I use pocket options, right? And what I love about this amazing platform, guys, we are now able to do Forex trades with MT5. Now that's phenomenal. Whether you just starting out and you want to use, a demo account, you can do so as well. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can set up and get into, as you see, MT5 for Forex, for a real account, as well as a demo account. It's really, really great. I'm gonna just show you, right? I was playing around with this yesterday. I took a couple of trades and it's really, really easy, right? So I'm just gonna show you. This is the way I have it set up, similar to the way I have it set up with my binary options. As you see right here on the bottom, you can see I took a couple of trades. I lost one, won three. One was for $1.37, the other one $32, and then I boosted up to $2.39. Bottom line is, guys, there's money here, and it's really amazing. You can fund it the same way you fund your binary options by choosing a currency, and then you have a few different other options that you want to choose if you want to use other cryptos. Look at the methods. We have a bunch of different methods from Coinbase, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, to Chainlink. I mean, come on, Stellar. I mean, I could go on and on. The list is amazing of what you can do to enter in. You also have an internal transfer. So if you have funds inside of your binary side of pocket options, you can transfer it over into the Forex side, right? That's amazing. That means you're going to use one broker to take care of all of your Forex needs, which is pretty cool, right? So all we want to do is just make sure we have every avenue available to take advantage to earning income in this independent income solution, right? So if you wanted to, of course, activate a live account, you would just activate it here and you'll be able to set yourself up for a win. And that is truly amazing, right? So I'm going to get back to the binary side real quick. This is just a small account that I set up to trade with people. This is a downtrend, as we can see, right? This is Apple, it's OTC. I love OTC. It's 92%. Most people don't like OTC because they say brokers are manipulated. I say, hey, if you know what you're doing, you don't have to worry about what somebody else is doing, right? Proper risk management, equal profits. And of course, what you do yesterday, what you did before may not equal a profit right now. But the key is to understanding market structure. The key is to putting yourself in a position to understand overall what's going on. And this has been in a downtrend for a few hours, right? As you can see, I'm going back a little bit. I'm looking at it. You see, I have my fractals on. I have my super trend, my parabolic SARs that I'm using, and my stochastic oscillator, right? And this is definitely in a downtrend. And as you see, it's below the 20. So as we know that it's oversold, right? So eventually, what happens? What we know, what goes down must eventually come back up. So if you have patience, you can go shopping and looking for a setup, right? You're taking your time to trade. We're not in here rushing to make $1 million. What we're in here doing is trying to be consistent at a strategy that works specifically just for us. It's not about just only doing 5 minutes, only doing 2 minutes, only doing 3 minutes. I love a 2-minute trade. I don't like 5-minute trades. I won't do a 15-minute trade, but I love 2, possibly 3, right? Yes, I've done the 1. Yes, I've done 30 seconds and 15 seconds, right? It's very, your emotions and your adrenaline is up. But I say take your time. The bottom line is this is a great way to use this platform to make a great income. And as you see, you could do small $5 trades. You don't have to do large amount of trades, which you can. I've done and I do, especially in my other account. The main thing is making sure that we understand what we see and we use proper risk management. If it feels like you are gambling, you are doing it wrong, okay? So I'm going to share my screen. with pocket options, I want to show you. First, let me show you this picture. Okay, this is just a pic of just some commissions that I've earned. As you see, I had 381 visitors. I had $2,700 on hold. I had a balance of $729, which I did take out. Bottom line is, guys, all you really need to do is just share your link. You can create different links. And if you are a leader, right, I'm going to show you how you can use the sub affiliate program to create income as well. All right. So bear with me. Okay. So now this is the back office of it, right? And of pocket options. And as you come here, they do weekly contests. So you can actually get weekly contests and earn anywhere from $1,000 to $200 randomly. Okay. You can create different affiliate links. Maybe if you have a few different programs. I have my own wealth transfer movement that we teach people how to trade and understand what they're doing in the market. So you can create different sharing links. As you see, I'm creating I just started this today, a new 50 start bonus. So the minimum balance is $50, right? And I'm going to give you some of your money back. I'm going to help you give you some of your money back. Maybe you can utilize that to start trading. You want to add more, right? The key to this is being able to create different links. And also, if you're a leader, if you have a large team and you're creating a downline in an opportunity, you can create a sub affiliate link, right? And this will allow you to share it with other leaders that will put you guys in position to be able to earn from those leaders and their deposits and their team. And that's a great thing, right? We also have promotion materials that you can use to help promote it on Facebook, IG, in your businesses, websites, whatever the case may be. All you really have to do is learn how to put yourself in a position to earn the amount of money you want with this independent income solution. So if you are already trading, you know how valuable it is to have a phenomenal broker that not only helps you, but also helps the people that you are helping. As you see, you got social banners, you got the sub partner banners, registration forms that also, if you click on it, it provides the information that goes directly to you. We have landing pages which is specifically coded to your link or whatever one that you are using. They have universal links, which I think is cool because as you see, they have different ones in terms of iOS, Android, universal registration link, Google, things of that nature, Facebook. And the contests are phenomenal. And what I like about it is that we can get paid out. It doesn't take long. When I initially did my last withdrawal, I got it literally in hours. Not even hours. I don't think it took that long, right? But the thing about it is, guys, we want to put ourselves in position to utilize this platform in every aspect that we can. So I'll drop the link below. I'm looking forward. If anybody's looking for one-on-one sessions with binary options, I'll drop that link also. And if you are interested in copy and pasting signals, right, while you are learning this independent income solution, I'll drop that link as well as part of another opportunity that I'm promoting. But the bottom line is to put yourself in a position to build wealth faster. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Peace out.